Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I'm going to draw Tanjiro mixed with Naruto. Since you guys have known me for quite a while now, I've been always trying to upgrade my skill in drawing. In the previous year, I've been trying to learn how to color, and this year I've been trying to learn how to draw free pose, freestyle, freehand, original pose without reference image. I've learned a lot from different type of YouTuber. For example, Kuzo Mari. He's always been an inspiration for me, and definitely Kim Jong-gi. And this time around, trying to make a lot of mistake here since well, this is my channel, this is my drawing, this is my video, so I'll try just to experiment on how far I can go with my skills, and it's okay for me to make a mistake, and because mistake I will learn more. This actually I'm try to complete it, but in the beginning stage I feel like I want to give this up because the pose I thought that is not quite right, and I'm not confident enough to try to do this challenge for myself. But in the end, my friend told me to just uh, keep going, and um, well, I'm brave enough to keep myself stepping forward to complete this drawing, and well, it turns out quite alright after I put in all the elements that is related to Naruto and Tanjiro, and I also am quite happy with the pose and the combination of their weapon, and also the combination of their ultimate skills, which for Naruto is Sharingan, and Rasengan or Sharingan is Rasengan. I'm so sorry. And also for Tanjiro is the fire sword. So up to this stage, I'm very happy with the um, progress. I truly cannot imagine myself doing this. This is uh, actually a breakthrough for me. I'm always wanted to do this for a long time, and I think I this is my first time doing it. I'm quite happy with it, but of course there's things that I can improve more. I'm really sorry for that if I am not giving it at the maximum. Of course, this is my first time doing it. For doing some existing character of anime and do some fusion, but I'm really happy with it. I've practiced a lot on drawing anime faces, and also learning a lot on coloring background, and now trying to combine pick up elements from Dragon Ball Legend cards graphics, and the fire swords and Naruto Rasengan, to combine everything here. Well, of my opinion, the thoughts that come into my head is the combination of the Tanjiro's clothing combined with Naruto's costume. I think the colors is a bit clashing. I never imagined that before, but in my head I just want to combine those costumes together. But in the end, I think green and orange. I'm not sure. But then, what do you guys think? Please feel free to give any advice in the comment section. And also the fire and the blue. But you know, it is what it is. Some people might like it, but I feel that I can do more out of this artwork, but I don't know what is it though. Probably in the future drawings I may be able to apply myself more to create more succinct and more um, extreme arts, which is I'm not able to produce here yet, but I feel it's quite alright for the beginning stage of my first tryout. Yeah, what do you guys think? And yeah, I'm really happy with the fire, of course, I look at some reference image on how to draw fire, and also Naruto's rasengan, how the blue fall together, and it's kind of nice. Of course, after doing coloring so many times, I'm quite happy with the result of the coloring, of course. Well, I think I've talked too much. You can enjoy the rest of the drawing with this beautiful music at the background.
Bring me their heads.
Taste the fear.
Okay, I might need to cut it in here. Trying to draw in the smoke here, but in the end the cracks doesn't work on the floor with combination of the smoke. That's why I try to put a white gel pen on it to erase the ink crack on the floor. Well, mistakes always be the essence of success for the future, so yeah. Well, sorry that I didn't show my face today because it's just quite handy for me to just not put any camera on the tripod. I'm just kind of feeling lazy today, so I just do this voiceover. So okay guys, that's the drawing guys. So what do you guys think? Feel free to leave any kind of comment, suggestion in the comment section below, and also if you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe. So do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys next one.